Alright guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today this video is going to cover how you can purchase your Matic, Polygon, and then on your Binance or any other exchange, okay, and then send it to your Trust wallet for you to swap some to DAI, which you are going to be using for your MetaForce sign up, for your MetaForce activation, right? And actually you can actually send USDT Polygon network to Trust Wallet and then swap it to DAI or Matic Polygon, okay? But to be on the safe side, you just need to purchase your Matic on Binance, KuCoin, or any other exchange, and then send it to your Trust Wallet so that you swap majorly to DAI and some, just a fraction, little fraction to Matic that you're going to be using as gas fee, right? Because the main thing in fact, you need these two coins, Matic and DAI, okay? The Matic is just for the gas fees, okay? You'll be needing more of DAI, but I'm going to be covering how you can purchase it here, send it to your Trust wallet, and then swap them respectively to DAI and to Matic right in this video, right? And for those of you who do not really know what this MetaForce is all about, just a quick one. Already there are videos on that already, and I'm still going to be making more videos, okay? It's a smart contract on Polygon blockchain, okay, whereby you earn unlimitedly, okay? Your earnings are unlimited. You can earn thousands of dollars depending on how far you can take your game, okay? Now there's a detailed video on that, but this video is actually going to be covering, in fact, when I say it's a smart contract, okay, built on Polygon chain, it means that by smart contract I mean no CEO, nobody is there to actually confirm your transaction. You are the boss of your money. Everything is on the smart contract blockchain, okay? You execute your whatever and then it's automatic. Nobody is needed for your confirmation. That's just all you need to know about this video. I've already made, okay, a detailed video on how to sign up with Matic, right? I mean, how to sign up or how to activate your MetaForce, okay? And of course, like I said, you need two coins, and that is Matic and also DAI. So let's just get to it right away. And if you are new on this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button down below, turn your notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. Also share this video with others so that you also help them to know about this wonderful opportunity that can actually free you financially, can give you financial freedom. You can make huge amount of money within a very short period of time. So all you need to do is go to your exchange. I'm using Binance because that's where I have fund right now. In fact, that's where I prefer to use in this particular video. So you have your money, your USDT, okay? You must have it in your spot wallet, okay? Now, any money you have on funding, you cannot actually have it. You can't use it to trade, right? So you have to move some money to your wallet, to your spot wallet. And already in my spot wallet now, I have about 162.58 USDT. So I'm going to click on trade. I'm going to click on trade now. In case, for those of you who do not know how to transfer, assuming you have your money in your funding wallet, all you need to do is to click on this transfer, and then you transfer it, choosing the coin, transfer it from, in that case funding will be here, and then you transfer from funding to wallet, okay? But I have my money in my wallet already, in my spot wallet. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to trade. When I go to trade, you are going to choose the coin you want to buy. Already I've chosen, this is Matic /USDT. But for those of you who do not know how to choose it, just click on this place, okay? Assuming I've not chosen it, I'm just going to type here whatever coin you want to buy. Let me still type the Matic, okay? Let me still type the Matic. Have you seen it? It just appeared. So I'm just going to click on it. Had it been it was not there, just to click on it and then it will come to this place. I hope you can see the pair now. Hope you can see the pair. So I am buying everything, all the USDT I have here. I hope you can see buy Matic. I'm using USDT to buy Matic, and then I am not buying with limit. Okay, I'm buying at market price, whereby the purchase will be executed immediately. And if you want to change that, you have to just click on this place, and then you see limit or market order, stop limit, and order. So I'm using market order because I want this trade to go immediately. I want to buy this immediately. So, and then look at the amount of USDT I have on my spot wallet. I know some of you know this, but I'm just going to take you through it step by step. So I want to use everything, okay, and then I'm going to click maximum, which is 100%. Okay, look at 100% here. I'm just going to click 100%. I'm using this to buy the DAI, so I'll click on buy. Buy the Matic. So success is been bought already. So right now I have my Matic bought, and then I'll know the equivalent, how many is going to give me, how many Matic that 162 USDT is going to give me. So I'll get back to my wallet, and then I'll see that Matic has been bought, 259 Matic, 259 Matic. So now we want to transfer this to Trust Wallet. So I'll just head over to my Trust Wallet. You have to be patient with me because I'm taking you through it step by step so that I don't make mistakes. So let's head over to my Trust Wallet. Okay, head over to my Trust Wallet, and then all you need to do is to enable that Matic. So to do so, you have to add it to your Trust Wallet to enable it. To do so, you either click on this add token here, or you click on this place. So whichever one, I'm just going to click on it, and then I will search for Matic. Go to the search board, use the search board, and then I'll type Matic, right? I'll type Matic, and then Matic Polygon. This is the one you are enabling, Polygon Matic. So we want to enable it so that it will be visible on the interface. So we have enabled it right now, and then let's get back to the front page. You see it has actually surfaced here. So I'll click on it because I want to deposit to this place. I'll click on receive, right? So receive, and then I will copy the link. So I'll click here to copy the link, or the address, the wallet address, okay, the Matic wallet address. And now let's go back to Binance. Now I'll click on withdraw. So when I click on withdraw, it's going to take me to this place. What do I want to withdraw? I'm withdrawing Matic Polygon, and then I'll choose the network. Okay, I'll paste that wallet address. Have you seen it? Then it has automatically picked the, okay, not yet. I'll click on this place to actually choose the network. So we are choosing Polygon, and then look at the fee. It's very, very low, 0.1 Matic, okay, which is equivalent to 0.062620 dollars. So I'm clicking on that Polygon, and then I'll confirm, and I want to transfer everything to my Trust Wallet. So I'm going to click on max. So everything is going to my Trust Wallet right away, and it's from my spot wallet. And then I'll click withdraw, and I'll just go through the normal confirmations, and I will see it on my Trust Wallet, right? So okay, I just have to click on this. Okay, in order not to make the video too long, I'm just going to pause, and I'll see you when I get back to my Trust Wallet. All right, so I'm just going to click to receive my code. Wallet, let's see if it has reflected. And okay, have you seen it? It just reflected. You remember we transferred 259.3 Matic. So we now have our Matic on our Trust Wallet. So we are going to be swapping the Polygon Matic, the Matic, to DAI, okay, which we'll be using for the activation of the Metaverse, right? You can't afford to miss this opportunity, guys. But as you can see, we don't have the DAI here, so we are going to click to add the DAI to our Trust wallet to enable it. So you are just going to type and search for DAI. Okay, remember both are running on the Polygon smart chain DAI. So we have many DAIs here, but we are looking at POS DAI stable coin. Look at the network Polygon. So we're going to enable it. You have a lot of DAIs here, okay, but that's the one we are enabling, POS DAI stable coin. Okay, so you enable it so that it comes up to the page we are looking at right now. So what you are going to do, you can see is just equivalent to USDT. Okay, one DAI is equivalent to one USDT. So we are clicking on this. We want to swap. You see, if you click on the Polygon Matic, the Matic, okay, you are not going to see these swap futures, but when you click on DAI, right, the DAI that we just added, look at it here, just take a look at it, this. So when you click on this, you are going to be seeing the swap future, right? So when you click on the swap, what are you going to be seeing, right? You are going to click on this to change it, so that a DAI comes here. Okay, Matic is already here, and then DAI is here. So you are swapping this to this, right? Okay, I hope you can see. Now, in case you did not see Matic here, you just have to click on this place, and then it brings you to this place where you can choose any coin you want. You can virtually swap any coin, but it's still Matic that we're swapping to DAI. So when we click, we've seen it, that's for DAI, but it's fixed already. But in case your DAI is here, you just have to click to change it so that DAI comes down and then Matic remains up. Okay, look at where I have found is Matic. So remember, you'll be leaving some Matic as gas fee. So I'm going to be leaving like 10 Matic or so. I'll be leaving 10 Matic just to show you how you can do the swapping, right? This is not the activation video. The activation video is a separate video. So I'm going to be swapping 249 Matic to DAI. So let me just click here to type the number of DAI that I want to. Had it been I want to swap everything, I'll just click on max, right? I'll just click on max. This is 100%, but it's not 100%. So I'm going to manually type it, which is 249, and that will be giving me 157 DAI. Remember, you need at least you want to activate at least 3 levels. It's advisable you activate up to 5 levels, and you'll be needing 155 DAI to activate up to 5 levels, and then about 5 or 10 Matic for the gas fee. But assuming you don't have up to 155 DAI, which is equivalent to $155, it is advisable you activate at least up to 3 levels, which 3 levels is around 40 DAI, which is $40, and then around 5 Matic. Okay, if you want to activate up to 4 levels, you'll be needing 75 DAI, which is the same thing as 75 USDT, and then you'll be needing Matic for your gas fee. But in this case now, I want to activate up to 5 levels, which will be needing 155 DAI, and that's why I'm swapping this to have 157 DAI, which is above what I actually need, right? So that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. So I will click on swap. This is what I'm receiving for 249 Matic. So I'll click on swap, and then I will also click on confirm right now. Okay, look at the fee, very low. Okay, look at the fee, very low. So I'm clicking on confirm, and then I'll just use my fingerprint to confirm it, right? So it's processing and it takes a few minutes. So that's just how it is. As it appears, I'll just show you guys and then I'll end the video. Please, if you watch this video to this end, don't hesitate. Look at it, has shown immediately. It has shown immediately. It didn't take time. So if you are finding value in this video and you don't want to miss this opportunity, or you want to join my Telegram for more questions, in fact, all other information you need to know, there will be in the description, but the link to my Telegram group. Please like this video, share with others so that they will be availed of this opportunity as well. Do good to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. Please feel free to contact me, join my group, ask questions, and I'll be there to guide you. Like I said, there will be more videos on this. Don't forget to activate and start earning unlimitedly. This is CN Great Council signing out for today. So before I do that, let's just get to this page so that you see that it has actually reflected the DAI that we added. Look at where I have it. Bye for now.